afternoon, stampers and paper crafters. This is Renee Daly from StampKnowHow.com, and I'm back with another project for you. Today we're going to make this mini treat holder. Holds these mini candy bars. These happen to be pumpkin pie. Super yummy. And I was making a bunch of these. These are perfect for like trick-or-treaters or just friends or I don't know. Whoever needs a treat in their life. We're going to be using the Ghoulish Goodies stamp set, which is good. You're going to need a 6x6 inch piece of paper. This paper is from the Magic in the Night Designer Series paper pack. It's got some lovely pumpkins as well as these pretty gothic looking spider webs on the back. Most of this project just involves folding, so for mine, it's a mini treat holder and it's 6x6, but you could also size this up to like 9x9 or 12x12 if you wanted something larger, maybe to fit a larger candy bar or something in there. So we'll just demonstrate this one today. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're going to fold the paper in half diagonally, meeting those two corners on either side. And it's good to have a bone folder for this so you get some good sharp creases. Now the next thing you do is take the opposite corner, not the one with where they met, but the one where the folds are. And you're going to take this one and we're going to turn it at an angle just until it meets the other side. And it's helpful to have grid paper for this, so you're making sure you're a little bit straight here. You just want to meet that point to the other side. And we're going to fold that down. Same thing. And then we're going to do the same thing on this side. Line up those corners so it meets, and use that bone folder to get a really good crease. Now if you want to hold that down, if it really bugs you, you can put a glue dot there. You don't have to. I'm gonna use a little bit of the snail and just do just a tiny bit just to hold it down. And then you're going to open up the top and fold that over. Same thing. Use that bone folder to get a good crease. And that's your basic pocket. So this is where you're going to put the treat inside there. So the only thing you need to do to finish off this project is you need a little scrap of Whisper White. And I'm going to use some Memento ink here. I have my little witch stamp. Just going to ink that up. We have our witch, and I'm going to go ahead and do our little boo at the top because we're going to cut this out too. Okay, that's all our stamping. So using the 1.5 inch circle punch, I'm going to go ahead and punch out the witch. And I have lots of scraps of DSP here, and I'm going to punch out another circle. Let's see which one I want to use here. I'll use this little purple pattern with the spiders. Same thing, we're going to punch. This is the 2-inch circle punch, and both of these are in the annual catalog. So we just need to trim out our little boo here. And you can just use paper snips for this. Cut this down. Just like that. finish this off, we're going to use a little glue here. Just going to glue this white piece onto my larger circle. Okay, and then just using some Stampin' Dimensionals, I'm going to go ahead and pop this up just like that. And this just goes on the front. Okay, once you have that tacked down, I'm just going to take the little boo and I'm going to put a mini dimensional on there. And this is going to go off to the side a little bit. You can just stick your treats in the little pocket. That's a quick little mini treat holder. So I'll list all the product information in the description. And you can make these rather quickly if you want to give them to your trick-or-treaters. So just a super quick, easy fold idea for treats. So enjoy. And if you'd like to make a purchase in my online store, this is my hostess code for October. You can shop online at StampKnowHow.com. Leave me a message in the comments if you like this video, and we'll be back with some more fun projects for you. Thanks for watching. Bye.